Axie boundlessness truly shows negative energy over the course of the end of the week in a for the most part enormous manner. The cost of Axie endlessness sort of rose by 2.4% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. As far as Axie support floor, it especially is currently $10.21, which certainly is very huge. Axie essentially has its next opposition at $11.87, which fundamentally is very huge. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will walk you through Axie endlessness cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time sort of sought clarification on something. What by and large is momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, for the most part is Axie an especially wise interest in every practical sense, huge way. Axie boundlessness support and opposition levels and so forth, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Axie specialized investigation, generally let us fundamentally discuss the ongoing economic situations, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking, market investigation, or so they in a real sense thought. Over the very last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $120,109,556,157 in a sort of large manner. The by and large all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $29,326,280,073 in an especially enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which truly is genuinely critical, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how the cost of Axie vastness really rose by 2.4% in the past 24 hours in a genuinely huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, or so they certainly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, truly is up by 0.53 and presently exchanging at 43 cents, or so they for the most part thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing that over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $120,109,556,157 in an extremely huge manner. These occasions fundamentally show that the market explicitly is going in a for the most part descending bearing for essentially present moment, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. As of now, a very broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they generally thought. Axie endlessness backing and obstruction in an essentially significant manner. Backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they especially thought. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers really become kind of more extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors certainly become move commonly dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, most certainly further appearance how market examination in a sort of enormous manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness, Axie limitlessness execution. The everyday diagram of Axie boundlessness explicitly shows that the Axie cost for the most part has truly flooded up with a 2.4% increment in beautiful beyond 24 hours. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the Axie endlessness coin especially is remaining at $6.77 with market capitalization $791,410,347 USD. Exceptionally further appearance how XRP, the local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, which explicitly is very huge. Axie cost changes 7.9% throughout the week while the exchanging volume truly is drifting around $22,182,780 USD. Lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness value examination Axie cost examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time period sort of made sense of beneath. So Axie vastness support and obstruction levels and so on in a really significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving extremely normal combination and disparity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving kind of normal and remarkable moving certainly normal to for the most part examine the future development of the Axie limitlessness, which in a real sense shows that the cost of Axie vastness fundamentally rose by 2.4% in the past 24 hours in a huge way. The Axie vastness generally has in a real sense break all its basically upholds levels, and things fundamentally are not looking especially great for the crypto market, which explicitly is very huge. Right now, for the most part bears in every practical sense, are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie cost beneath the pivotal help level of $10.21. Showing that the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Axie boundlessness cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these much of the time truly sought clarification on pressing issues. What for the most part is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Axie vastness, in every way that really matters, is Axie a truly wise speculation, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The MACD line basically is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a fundamentally descending heading for most certainly present moment, which especially is very huge. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the very everyday outline, exhibiting how as far as Axie support floor, it truly is currently $10.21 in an unobtrusive manner. RSI inferring oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and fundamentally is attempting to in a real sense break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength. So the Axie endlessness generally has basically break all its truly upholds levels and things basically are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. While Axie's Williams %R pointer most certainly is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange truly signal basically is by and large conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Axie endlessness, Axie boundlessness execution. The day-to-day diagram of Axie vastness truly shows that the Axie cost truly has most certainly flooded up with a 2.4% expansion in beyond 24 hours. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58. Following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time period in an extremely enormous manner, ends from the specialized examination. The really by and large pattern of the Axie limitlessness for the most part is as yet negative. Be that as it may, the value activity could generally shows an endeavor a bullish in every practical sense, inversion with its bullish overwhelming candle design, exhibiting how Axie fundamentally has its especially next obstruction at $11.87, which certainly is genuinely critical. Hence, assuming that Axie figures out how to remain above $10.21, it can give a brilliant source